Welcome to Technology Review, your go-to channel for everything tech-related. Today, we've got our hands on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Samsung's flagship tablet for 2024. In this hands-on review, we'll dive into its design, display, hardware, software, and overall usability. Let's find out if this premium tablet justifies its hype, or if it's a pass this time. A familiar design with subtle tweaks. Samsung hasn't drastically altered the design of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra compared to its predecessor, the Tab S9 Ultra. At first glance, the two appear nearly identical, but upon closer inspection, there are some notable updates. Camera rings. Borrowing design cues from the Galaxy Z Flip 6, the Tab S10 Ultra features color-accented camera rings around the rear lenses. Slightly thinner profile. While the difference is minimal, the tablet is slightly thinner than its predecessor, giving it a sleeker look. Pen slot refinement. The magnetic S Pen bar on the back has a slightly redesigned aesthetic, enhancing its integration with the overall look. Despite these updates, the tablet's overall aesthetic remains conservative, which might be a double-edged sword. If you're upgrading from the Tab S8 or S9 Ultra purely for the design, you might not find enough incentive here. The stunning display, more than meets the eye. Where the Tab S10 Ultra truly shines is its 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display. This time, Samsung has incorporated an anti-reflective coating, a feature inspired by the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen. Outdoor usability. The coating drastically reduces glare, making the tablet much easier to use in bright environments. Enhanced color vibrancy. The anti-reflective technology also deepens blacks, enhances contrasts, and makes colors pop, delivering a cinema-grade viewing experience. Multimedia bliss. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or sketching with the S Pen, the display delivers unparalleled clarity. This display upgrade alone might be a game-changer for users prioritizing media consumption or creative tasks. Performance. A bold chipset choice. Samsung surprised many by opting for the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset instead of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This move is intriguing, as MediaTek has typically been associated with mid-range devices. However, early impressions reveal that the chipset holds its ground. Smooth everyday use, apps, multitasking, and general navigation feel snappy and fluid. Improved Samsung DeX. Launching and exiting Samsung DeX mode is noticeably faster, making it more convenient for productivity enthusiasts. Gaming and editing. While the tablet handles casual gaming and light video editing well, it remains to be seen how it performs under heavier workloads like 4K video rendering or complex Photoshop tasks. Samsung's gamble with MediaTek will undoubtedly spark debates, but for the average user, the performance seems more than adequate. Galaxy AI integration. Smarter than ever. The Tab S10 Ultra is packed with Samsung's latest Galaxy AI features, mirroring the capabilities found in the Galaxy S24 lineup. These include enhanced scene recognition for photo editing, improved voice-to-text capabilities for note-taking, personalized app recommendations based on your usage patterns. For users who appreciate an ecosystem that adapts to their needs, this is a valuable addition. Samsung DeX. New and familiar options. One notable software enhancement is the inclusion of New DeX, a feature designed to make multitasking even more intuitive. In this mode, windows automatically launch in resizable panes, mimicking a traditional desktop experience. However, if you prefer the classic DeX interface, it's just a menu toggle away. Battery and charging. The Tab S10 Ultra retains the same 11,200 mAh battery and 45W fast charging as its predecessor. Despite the thinner design, battery life remains impressive, lasting well over a day with moderate use. However, how well the MediaTek chipset manages power efficiency under heavy use remains a topic for a future deep dive. Should you upgrade? The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is undoubtedly a stellar device, but its incremental upgrades might leave existing Tab S9 Ultra users wondering if an upgrade is necessary. Key highlights include display improvements with the anti-reflective coating, enhanced DeX experience, Galaxy AI integration for smarter usability. For those using an older tablet or entering Samsung's tablet ecosystem for the first time, the Tab S10 Ultra is a compelling option. However, if you already own the Tab S9 Ultra, you might want to wait for a more significant refresh cycle. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, even if some of the changes are more subtle than groundbreaking. With its vibrant display, versatile software, and capable hardware, it remains one of the best Android tablets on the market. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Is the Tab S10 Ultra worth the upgrade, or are you holding out for the next big thing? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Review for more hands-on reviews and tech content.